Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are my list of top 15 apps on Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. So guys, I'm going to show you more than 15 apps in this video. Some of them are system apps. I just want to show you how important they are. So guys, let's get started with the list. First app in our list is Shareit, which can be used to share files, images, movies, audio lists, contacts, any kind of information from one device to another, as long as both devices have the same app, Shareit. So if you want to send anything from this device to another device, just install Shareit on both the apps and press send on one device and receive on another. And from the device you want to send information or send files, select the files that you want to send and click send button. And it will search nearby if there is any other app running Shareit and if you have already pressed receive. And if there is such phone or device, it will show up in the radar and you just have to click it to transfer files. So these are a bunch of other apps. So as you can see, this is the stock launcher, and if you're not satisfied with it, or if this phone is going to be used by some elderly people who want simple stuff or who want things to be very simple, then you can set this up. This is smart launcher, and you basically tell the app what your default apps are for a dialer, music app, browser, camera, gallery and messages, and it will set up your device like this. You don't have any home screen or you can't put any more widgets on it. You have all these basic apps on your apps on your main home screen, and if you press this button you can have access to all your apps. So it is suggested for someone who wants simplicity over a lot of customizations. Next app we have XDialer, which is alternative for the stock dialer that comes on Asus Zenfone. I personally didn't like it and I've been using this particular dialer for quite some time. So we even have themes, and I personally like the ice cream sandwich theme, which comes in complete black and blue. So do give it a try. This dialer is very simple to use. You can simply swipe down to see all your call logs. You can swipe right to call them or swipe left to send a message to them quickly. And if you press this button, you can have access to your groups, contacts and your favorite contacts. The next app is Dijkstra, which is again an alternative for the stock SMS app. Well, I must say the stock SMS app is pretty good, but this is the app I'm more familiar and comfortable to use, so I've just installed it. So this is just a suggestion, and both Dijkstra and the stock app offer the same features like marking all the SMS as read, blacklisting any particular contact, but Dijkstra has the option to stop notifications from any particular contact without blacklisting them. Just give it a try. If you like it, use it. Next we have O, which is a simple timer with a maximum of 60 minutes. We can simply swipe clockwise or anti-clockwise to increase or decrease the timer. We can simply click on the center to pause or continue the timer. Okay. Next we have Truecaller, which can be used to get information about unknown callers. So whenever you get any call from any unknown number, Truecaller just goes through its database if you have internet connected, and it gets you the name of that unknown caller. Next we have PixArt, which is basically a photo editing tool. Just install it and try it. It has some pretty good features. Next is my favorite app dialer, which is a T9 keyboard to search through all your apps. Let's say I want to open a Play Store or Mixplayer. All I need to do is simply press MX and there I have it, Mixplayer. For Play Store, PLA, and there I have it, Play Store. So I'm really lazy to search through the entire app drawer, let it be 100 apps or 150 apps, just to find one particular app. So in that situation, app dialer really helps me out. Next we have Touchpad X, which is my favorite keyboard app, and I personally hate the Asus stock keyboard. Let me just quickly show you the demonstration. So guys, as you can see, it has some pretty nice animations. It has swipe, it has inbuilt navigation buttons, it has inbuilt clipboard manager, and some nice gestures and auto completion. So do give it a try. Next we have Pushbullet, which we can use to send links or files from one Android device to another Android device or from your phone to your Google Chrome browser. It also has features like notification mirroring and SMS sync. We can use this app to reply to your SMS and your WhatsApp messages directly from your web browser. So this is how it basically looks. And for SMS sync, you need to enable this option. And for notification mirroring, you need to enable this option. Next, we have a Mixplayer, which is my favorite music player, which comes with some intuitive gestures to watch videos. I just hope I have some videos. So over here I have a video. When I swipe on the left side, I can change the brightness. When I swipe on the right, I can change the volume. I can swipe in the middle from left to right or right to left to seek the position of the video. And it works pretty much like that. Next we have ES Explorer, which is a file manager with tons of features. So to get started, it's a file manager. You can send files over Wi-Fi. You can back up all your apps. You can clean your entire internal SD card. It simply scans your internal SD card and finds unnecessary junk and allows you to clear them or delete them with a single click. And it has many other features. Next we have disk usage, which visualizes your internal SD card. So this is my internal SD card and I can clearly see which folders are occupying more space. And just in case if I'm running out on space, I can use that information to delete any unnecessary files. Next we have CamScanner, which is a document scanner app. So this is how it basically looks. So let me quickly go. Not now, use now. So guys, I have some image over here. I can quickly take a picture. And now it will process this image and enhance the text, as you can see. And it saves it. So if you sign into this CamScanner account, you will be able to save all your documents to the web. You can even back up all your documents. If you have a premium account, you can automatically back up all your documents to Evernote or Dropbox, and you can do tons of stuff like that. Next we have Droid, which you can use to transfer files from your PC to your phone over Wi-Fi. So all you need to do is simply go to this particular URL, and once you go to this URL, you will be able to see a QR code, and on your mobile you need to press this button and scan the QR code, and your device is connected to your browser. You'll be able to transfer files, install applications, backup call logs and restore them, backup contacts and SMS, and do tons of stuff what a normal PC suite would have done. So that's pretty much it about the user apps. And from the system apps, we have themes, which you can use to change the theme of the phone. Next we have Auto Start Manager, which can be used to stop applications from starting when your device boots up. Next we have My Asus, which you can use to find the nearest Asus service center, and you can even track your repair. Next we have other apps called as Power Saver, which has a mode called as Ultra Power Saving mode, which saves a lot of battery when you're in that particular mode. And you have some other customizations related to that. And finally we have a nice gallery app with tons of customization and tons of options. So these are the must-have apps, and these are the apps that you must definitely check out on your Asus Zenfone 2 laser. So that's pretty much it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.